Welcome. In this video, we'll learn to use a well-managed article template created by me. This is the template. You can download this template from the link given in the description box. Once you download, make sure that you have these files. Remember, you don't need to change this class file. You can change this file and this file, text file and bib file. In this folder, you can put all the images. Now I'll open this article main text file, title part, abstract, introduction, email and copyright information, subsection, subsection, paragraph, subparagraph, figure, appendix, table, abbreviations, and references. So this is the source file, which includes chart class. Default options are 11 point A4 paper, 1 column, 1 side, and final. You can also use 10 point and 12 point. These packages are already added, so you don't need to add. This is the default font, which you can change. You can use the line spacing command for changing the line spacing. Default margin is 2 cm, which you can change using geometry command. This is the graphics path. In the next bibliography information, default citation style is numbers, which you can change using cite style command. Reference style is RSC, which again you can change. If you want to change the abstract background color, then you can use this command. In the next, you can provide title information, author, date, email ID, address. Then abstract, keyword, section, subsection, subsection, an example of figure, equations, examples of paragraph and subparagraph, acknowledgements, then appendix. Here, if you want to change the title of the abbreviations, you can change at this place. In the last bibliography, this is the bib file. In the next tutorial, we'll learn to convert a single column document into a 2-column document. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.